My name is Fred Choro, and I'm the owner of this place here. Due to high winds, my roof developed leaks, and it just happened that Masters took the job to come and give me an appraisal. And I was so impressed with them, starting with Patrick, the salesman, that I decided to stay with them. And after that, everything went so smooth. Everything was perfect from my point of view. Patrick showed me all my options. He told me what was best, and he gave me different options, like I said. After that, he also showed me financing options, and everything was fine. The day that it was scheduled to come in, the team came. They met me here early morning, 7 o'clock, like they said, perfect timing, and they went straight to work. I mean, they were very professional. They put tarps down from the roof to the floor to gather the debris, and everything went according to plan. No delays, no if or oops. Everything was perfect. So I can't complain. Thanks, Masters.